What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, MarketingMeathead.com. Today I'm going to talk about an exciting masterclass I have coming up and how I got the Clickbank Platinum Award and what you're going to get from this class. All right, welcome back. So, want to make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, bang that notifications bell. I'm going to drop some value here today, so make sure if you like the value, leave me a comment below, like the video, share it with your friends. It really helps the channel. We just crossed 1,700 subs, and we're moving up in the world, so appreciate it. Everyone, if you are here because you saw the title of the video, we are actually going to be having a masterclass tomorrow afternoon at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to go ahead and put a link below. And I'm going to unveil the entire system that helped me get this right here, the Clickbank Platinum Award. Okay, this was the 2019 Clickbank Platinum Award. I think it was like $500,000 in the first quarter of 2019. And, here's me, number 7 on the Clickbank leaderboard when they had their contest. I was number 7 at one time. I ended up finishing number 10, but I was in the running for 7th at one time. And yeah, the entire system I used to get this, which is a pretty big award, definitely shows that you are one of the top dogs in the affiliate world. But before we get into that, I want to go ahead and show you guys something here that you might want to jump on while you can. One of the case studies that I'm actually going to be doing in my upcoming program that I'm going to be releasing this week is an app called Dosh. Okay, you may have heard of it. I use Dosh on a regular basis. I have it set up on all my credit cards pretty much. So what happens is if you go into, say for example, a restaurant that has the partners with Dosh or whatever, and you used one of the credit cards that you have attached to your Dosh app, then you get cash back. Okay. And ironically, a couple of the restaurants that I use for my VIP hosting company and I send a lot of packages through, they have a partnership with Dosh. So it's perfect. So I get I think it's like 1 or 2 or 3%, depending on the restaurant and the deal they have, you get back just automatically. Literally, the customer goes in, they run my credit card, which they would do anyway, and I get a percentage back. So it's like free money, completely free money. But here's where the stuff gets good for the affiliate marketers out here that are watching. I just got this in the email today. Notice the date here, June 24th. Dosh is giving away, they used to just give away $5 if you referred someone. Well, they just bumped that to 10. So now it's a $10 now it's a $10 per referral, basically right into your Dosh app account. And this makes this pretty interesting. And here's why. One of the case studies that I'm going to be releasing next week is when, or this week actually, was I did this direct linking on a number of different traffic sources. Now, I'm not going to review every single traffic source that I used, but you can see here I had ExoClick, Zero Park, and Propeller ads running on this particular campaign, and I ran it over the course of about 2 weeks. Now, this is when they went to $10. Okay, I only ran this direct linking to my link when this went to $10, and I made over the course of about, I was really only profitable for about the first 10 days, but I made like $1,500 profit. Okay, so they just did this today again. They haven't done it since November, made the $10 referral bonus. Okay, so basically I'm giving you guys a working campaign here. Go on to ExoClick, Zero Park. Zero Park I didn't really have much luck with, but Propeller ads worked really well. ExoClick worked really well. Go on to those 2 traffic sources, and there's a whole bunch of other ones out there. I can do another video on some of the other traffic sources that we use for mobile affiliate marketing, but you can direct link to this, your link, your whatever your referral link is, and you can start making money pretty easily just off running cheap mobile traffic. You can run adult, you can run whatever you want, and they pay. Okay, so you only get paid when the person actually downloads the app and puts a credit card in. So you're going to get a ton of referrals that you're not going to get paid on, but you get enough that that you do get paid on. That we made a pretty nice profit. So there's a free campaign for you guys, the Dosh app campaign. I do a whole case study on this in my upcoming release, and show you guys actually how to do it. But that's the real deal. Okay, so I just gave you guys a working campaign that just came out today. Literally, it's the 24th of June. Go ahead and take that and run with it. All right, so let's look at some other things here. Here's some of my other accounts. This was one of my main Clickbank accounts. I have 3. This was in January of 2019. You can see I was running up to almost 30K in a week. here. I had here's one of the Pinterest accounts that we have. We have a number of them, but this number you can see we spent 121,000 in Pinterest. This was all in 2019 recently, and it says here we got back 140,000. Now that's just part of what we got back, because the way we run Pinterest traffic is we run it into what's called a listicle, and we're going to show you guys all this tomorrow in the Masterclass. So make sure you sign up below in the link below for the Masterclass, and we're going to review the full system on how we did this. I mean, it looks like there's only 20K profit here, but it's more like 250K, okay, because of the way we run it, because Pinterest can't track all the secondary conversions that came in the way we do it, okay? So this number is, it looks okay. I mean, it's not bad, $20,000 in profit, but it was actually a lot higher than that. So just to give you an idea. And here's one of my campaigns from, this was a pay-per-call campaign back in 2016. This is one of my first big campaigns. And we actually made this was all in a short amount of time here. This was like a 2-month period. This was about 200 grand in profit at the time when we were running this campaign. So we made like 100K a month. So that's one of the campaigns, and you can see we've been doing this since 2016. So it's not like we just are signed up. Here's a couple more affiliate networks. You can see the year to date here. This was 67,000 in a couple months in 2019. Here's another one here, another 30,000 all in 2019, and here's a couple more. We got tons of these. We run on a lot of different affiliate networks. Here's 42,000 2019. Here's another one. What is that? 86,000 2019. All this is recent. Sorry about the phone going off, but yeah, as you can see, we're pretty much been doing this now for like 4 years. We have literally hundreds of thousands of dollars, in the millions of dollars in affiliate commissions over the past like 4 or 5 years. We've gotten we've got ad campaigns that we've ran and then stopped running for whatever reason, that are still working campaigns that we're going to be giving away in the upcoming program we're going to be releasing, that you guys can just take and basically just run with. And there's a lot of really good stuff that we're going to be talking about tomorrow's class. So make sure you sign up. I know a lot of you have been asking about when my release is coming up. Well, we're finally going to do it here. We're going to do it this week. But this video isn't really for like all the information that we're going to be giving out tomorrow. We have actually a full hour and a half, 2-hour presentation. We're going to show you guys everything that we've got going on, and really put together a nice program for you. So make sure you sign up for tomorrow. If you for some reason can't make it to the 2 o'clock Pacific Standard Time showing tomorrow, sign up and you'll get the replay link, and then catch us on the replay. But we're not going to be releasing this much past this week, maybe a little bit in the next month, and then we're going to close it probably for maybe a year, maybe or 2 years. The last time we put out a class was over 2 years ago, so we took a break, and we haven't done it in about 2 years. So this is kind of a big deal for those of you who are really interested in learning how we get these kind of affiliate commissions, and have success in this industry for the last 4 years, so 4 or 5 years. So I'm going to close this out with one of my students. I guess you can see what we can do, but here's one of my students. This was from a couple years ago, but he did 12,400 in his first 2 weeks working with us, and this student actually is now got his own offer up on Clickbank. Okay, how cool is that? So I'm going to go ahead and play the video right now, and this will kind of give you an idea of a successful student of ours from the past. Get you motivated to sign up for tomorrow's masterclass. So here it is.
Hey guys, my name's Terry. I just wanted to give this short testimonial for Brian and his FABS program. Just want to let you know this is the real deal. I went through Brian's program probably a little while ago, and within that first week I made $4,200 just with global wide media, just with one offer. And I pretty much didn't know what I was doing that first week, but as I progressed through the program and the course, I made more and more money. But anyway, I just want to let you know I tried a lot of different things, and I'm sure you have too, or many people have tried many different things, and I never really made much money with anything. But this is definitely the real deal. The way Brian walks you through it, takes you through the course step by step, gives you everything you need. He gives you the copy, he gives you exactly how to put up the ads, what ads he knows are going to be successful, and you just follow it, man, and you just follow what he says, and it works. But yeah, like I said, I made $4,200 in that first week, and most of that was profit, and that was just with Global Wide. And I'll show you a little bit of stats here. This was just with one campaign. You can see that started 10/15. This is just a 2-week period. 2-week period, $12,400. 5,600 clicks. It's just the way this program works is unbelievable. And I was a little hesitant about the investment at first, but I made that investment back. Plus, you know what I mean. I just keep making more and more money. I just want to thank you, Brian, and this Fabs program for offering this to me. And if you're thinking about getting into a good program where you want to make some money, you might want to check this out. All right, thanks. Bye.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. That's Terry, a real nice guy. He's actually been asking us to help promote his new offer up on Clickbank. Unfortunately, I just haven't had time. I got a number of businesses going on right now. It is the summertime. I'm actually trying to have some fun too and enjoy myself a little bit while it's nice weather and whatnot out here. But make sure you sign up for the link below. The class is tomorrow, and I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. See you on the next one.